Good day everyone. So today let me teach you on how to make your photo document, converting it into PDF or making it clear version, making the photo document that you have into clear version 1. So as you can see, this is now my photo document. So okay, one moment. So this will be now the document that I want to enhance the quality of this picture. So in order to do that, you just need to install one application in your Google Play Store, and that is the Cam Scanner, this one. So this Cam Scanner, you can use that to enhance the quality of your picture. So just click Cam Scanner. So in order to use this, just simply click the camera button, click this, and then click import image, and then use the image that you want to enhance the quality. So select that, then import. Now after that, this is what happened. So you can choose the size only or the portion that you want to enhance the quality, and then click next. After that, it will automatically scan a good copy or enhance the copy. So you have different option: Magic Color, Magic Pro. This is what will happen. So it's like a magic one. So or you have different option: black and white, echo, or what. But for me, Magic Pro or Magic Color are already okay. So then click check once you're done. After that, you have now the option to click that. Just simply click the three dots here, and then you can save it to gallery as image, or you can convert it as well into PDF. So open the image via PDF, so you can choose as well as downloading it as PDF or as image only.